I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're wrong, remember that I told you I found my way back home.
Yo yo yo! Hello guys! Paano ba ako magsisimula? First vlog ko to, so hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-vlog, pero try natin kasi first time ko to. So sana maging maayos yung mga susunod pang vlogs ko. So sana supportahan nyo ako, mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko. And sa first vlog ko, gusto ko maging memorable kasi ito yung time na manunumpa si Vice Governor Matil Viste bilang official na Vice Governor ng province o lalawigan ng Batangas. So tingnan natin kung anong mga mangyayari and enjoy lang tayo. See you later. Bye-bye.
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold.
When your dreams they fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale.
I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Don't get too close, it's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
When the curtains call us the last of all, when the lights fade out, all the sinners crawl.
So they dug your grave and the masquerade will come calling out at the mess you've made.
Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Though this is all for you, don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come.
Ako si Jose Antonio Viste II, ang lungsod ng Limang, lalawigan ng Batangas, nahalal sa katungkulan bilang Vice-Gobernador ng Batangas, ay kayo manunumpa. At tutuparin ko ng buong husay at katapatan sa abot ng aking kakayahan. Ang aking mga tungkulin ng aking kasalukuyang katungkulan. Pagkaraan ko ay kagapanan ko ayon sa batas sa bidang tunay na mananali kusang kabantan ang mga pananagutan ito ang wala ang mga pasuali o hangaring lumiwas. Siwaan ako ng Panginoong Diyos. Maraming salamat.
Video siya, ma'am. Para sa akin lang. Yun na po ang ating Vice Governor. Nag-office tour na po siya. Yung office tour. Ayan po. First Lady. Ayun.
Sabi ko ba, pagbukas ko ng pintuan, may babae dito.
Kanina pa kami nag-iintay sa'yo, umalis na eh. JCM Paman. Babalik na lang ko si Jeff.
Paano yun ba?
Ano naman si June? First time this year.
Ayun po. First time niya uupo sa kanyang chair. Well, officially, Batangas Vice Governor.
Ano ang pinig ito? We will have 5 days. Cut of 4. We have the constant. We have the 466.